Here we are at the Courtyard Marriott, SeaWorld, Lackland. Let's take a look.
This hotel is conveniently located near SeaWorld. It's very close to Lackland Air Force Base as well as the Riverwalk. So if you're here for that type of visit, this would be a perfect stop. We will start in the lobby, and I'm going to give you a detailed tour of the lobby and the amenities, and then we will go up to the room, do the room tour, and I will also show you the pool area, the workout area, and the laundry. So there is a lot of space here for meeting. They have breakfast in the morning. It is not complimentary, but you can order, and I will show you the menu. You can order, sit down here in the mornings, have you some food. You can also, of course, come in afternoons, time at the bar, so you can get a drink. You can grab yourself some food before and after maybe one of your trips out to visit some of the sites in San Antonio. It was very late at night when we arrived, or very early in the morning, depending on how you look at it. So it was quiet, but I am giving you just a look at what is available. And the ambiance it was quiet hotel. Although there was plenty of room, it was quiet. Here's the little area that you can go into and grab yourself like some sundries if you've forgotten a few things. We did forget a toothbrush while we were here. They gave that to us complimentary at the front desk, but you can pick up a few little snacks and things here, and they have a microwave. Here is another area that you can sit and kind of just chill, meet people, talk. I thought it was kind of cute. Large television and plenty of places to sit. And they also serve Starbucks here at this location. They have free cookies available at the front desk for you, although they were quite hard. 309. So, as you first enter the room, there is a very long hallway and carpet. And behind us here, there is the light switch, and then your information on the door for your emergency. And there is a peephole. Okay, coming straight through to the left is our bathroom. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Hi! Big full-length mirror, a single sink, and then nothing underneath there. Guess you can put some storage. Little area here. Here is your toilet, separated by this little space here. You have a cool picture, your towels, there are 3 of us, and your shower and tub combo. It's not the cleanest I'm noticing that, don't like that. And here are the products that they are using here at the Courtyard Marriott, north, 390 degree north. And a little space back in here. Guess if you need to rest, or maybe it's accessible. Okay, it's accessible. Little area behind the door, just a little mirror there. Okay, come on out, and we go back in straight through. To your left again is a little coffee, pretty little photo in your coffee maker. Have a single serve coffee maker, some cups, some tops, some decaf, let's see, Rainforest Blend dark roast decaf, and then regular. Your fixins, you have a small microwave and a cooler that I almost ripped off of okay, I can't open it. Okay, I can't open the cooler, it's falling. Let's just say we know what's inside of a refrigerator there. Yeah, because as I pull it open, it's falling out. All right, Your thermostat is to the right. Come in, you have 2 trash cans and a little vase on this area here. And both of the beds are to your left. And then you have a sister to your left that does not come included with your room. You might be able to get one for a little extra fee. 2 queen beds. Yeah, you have a desk and your phone and your outlet situation and a clock. You have then to your right again, a nice little closet, right? Yeah, it has the usual things that they have in closets. And then you go forward, here's the other bed. And then there is a cool looking little chair. I don't know what kind of chair is this? What's this called? Rounded? I don't know what it is, but it looks comfy. Anybody tried this out?
No.
Try it out, ladies. Is it cool? Can 2 people sit there?
Yeah, you can. Come on.
Can a mom and a sister sit in a chair? Is it?
It's like, how would you describe? It's hard.
It's hard.
Uh-oh.
It's hard, but it's you sit down.
Firm. But
Firm. It's firm.
Yeah.
It's firm.
okay, you have a firm chair and a lamp back here and then a wall of windows. We are on the 3rd floor. Let's see what our view is. Oh wow, KFC. Yeah. And we're right in the front, so you can see the top of the that entry. And of course this. And also you have this large, here's your television remote. You have 3 large drawers and then a little desk and chair area. You can actually pull the desk out so you can have some space for your writing. Let me show you the situation over here. Yeah, more plugs. That's what you got to work with. So this is the Courtyard by Marriott SeaWorld slash what's the name of this, the base here? It's called what's it? I forget. I'll tell you the correct name. I'll make sure to put up the correct name. Overall, the room was just fine. We definitely saw signs of wear and tear. There was rust in the bathroom. This was an accessible room, but it was clean. It was comfortable. The beds were slightly firm, but we would recommend it. So there is a pool here. Here are the pool whirlpool hours. And it's an indoor pool. Look, oh my gosh, it's so hot, girls. Watch your hair. Watch your hair. If it was straight, it will be curled when you get finished here. But it is a pool. It goes up to, looks like 5 feet. 5 feet, 15 inches. I'm gonna be real careful as I'm walking because it's wet. And then there is a small whirlpool. Cool. No diving, no diving. No lifeguard on duty. Okay, and then right next to the pool is the fitness room. Gotta use your key card. It's small, but I'm sure it'll do the trick if you are into that kind of thing, which why would you be? I'm just kidding. Hey. So, yeah, you can get some assistance. Just lift the handset. And what else is back here?
It's laundry.
Here's your exercise room. That is open 24 hours. You can go in there at 2 in the morning and get your workout on if you need to. There's a little ice machine area back in here. And then the guest laundry. I'm not gonna go in there. I'm just gonna take a peek. We all know what laundry looks like. So there you go. There you go.